to the grocery store?
You like to what?
Nana, boom, yeah. That's for you. You deserve
really?
it. Yeah, of course. Guys. Hi guys! Welcome back to the MacG Family Vlog. So today is December, ano ba? Dito yung remote control. Okay. December 10 na tayo ngayon guys. 14 more days na lang Christmas na. Off ko na tong si Christmas tree kasi mahirap na. Aalis tayo guys. Kakaalis lang. Kanina pa umalis yung kids. Magnanay na. So pupunta tayo ng Aldi. And kasi may hinahanap ako na something sa Aldi. May Aldi kami dito guys. And then mag-a-add din ako ng socks for Liam. Kasi sabi niya, nag-change yung mind niya, magdodonate na daw siya ng socks. Si Brianna, kinuha na, dinala na niya na yung ang dalawang socks. I-donate niya yun. And then, ito, i-wrap ko to kasi regalo to ni Liam para sa daddy niya. And then, magpapaano ako ng kuko kasi tingnan yung kuko ko guys. Oh. Bungi-bungi na. And then, after that, puntahan natin si Grandma guys. Kasi hindi ko siya napuntahan yesterday. And then, nung weekend, hindi ko rin siya napuntahan. Busy din siya with daughter niya kasi may inasikaso sila guys, diba? Papatayin ko na tong. Alam niyo ba to kahapon? Nag-start yung dito guys. Yung shape ng kandila. Start talaga siya. Papatayin ko siya. Nag-on ako ng kandila para pagdating ni Mr. mamaya, wala na siyang reklamo na. Kasi amoy yung bahay na, isda, amoy yung bahay na karne. Kasi nung nagluto ako ng nilagang baka, amoy na amoy niya yung before siya umalis. Ay! Sabi niya ganun, yung amoy ng taba ng baka ba, diba? Ganun niya naamoy pag nagpapakulo ka ng maring baka, naamoy niya. Ay! Sabi niya, stinky na naman daw yung bahay. Ay! Tumira na lang kaya siya sa hotel, no? O hindi na lang kaya magluto. Mag-order lang kaya ng mag-order sa yung sa restaurant. Para wala talaga siyang maaamoy sa bahay, guys. But, okay, let's go. Ako'y magdadrive muna. Hindi pa ako nakapagkape, guys. But, okay, let's go. On ko muna itong Dito ako sa bahay ni Grandma, guys. Nagbumili ako ng pagkain. Okay, I got something for you. Would you like soup or sandwich? Oh, the precious cut is here, guys. Okay.
Oh, whatever I get.
I like.
Good.
Okay. I think this one. And then I got more soup for you. Soup. And
I love it.
more bread. You went to the grocery? You went to the grocery? You went to the grocery store?
You like to what?
Nana, bungo na dyan. Did you went to the grocery with Claudia?
Today? No.
Yeah? No, yesterday. I'm going to... Okay, which one is for you?
This is cute. Looks like it holds a lot.
Yeah, this is for you. I'm not going to take this because Brianna will eat it. This is for you. This is for you. This is for Liam.
bag?
No, it's okay. So, this is for you here. Eat it.
Okay.
Eat your food. That's your favorite. I get soup.
Keep it
Bread.
warm.
Yeah, that's warm. Hindi sila nagbigay ng spoon, guys. Yummy tong bread nila. Mainit-init pa. So you went to the grocery?
No.
How about your grocery?
I love
Ano
it.
na? Limita na. You forgot who bought your grocery? What's your coffee?
They're always so nice and warm.
Mm-hmm. Do you want soup? Do you want the onion soup? Hold on.
No.
No? That's your favorite. It's
Trip?
still hot. Soup.
Oh.
Your favorite soup. It's still hot. Wait, hold on.
And this is a soup? Wow.
Guys, nakauwi na tayo ng bahay. So far, so good naman si mother-in-law, guys. Tinanong ko nga siya, bakit hindi ka na pumunta sa bahay? Alam mo bang, silip ako ng silip sa gitana namin. If may naglalakad ba naman tanang babae, pupunta sa pintuan namin, tawa siya ng tawa. Okay, dumating na yung order. Bakit malaking box to? I think ito yung sa atin. Ayan. And, Mister ba to? Bakit ang laki ng box? Dito, yung mga boxes, guys, hindi tinitipid. Akin. Ayan, mga ano. Nag-order ako last night before natulog. Nag-order ako ng mga pang Christmas gifts sa mga kids ba. Kasi, ano ko na, guys, kasi dito, pag papatay-patay ka mamili, wala na. Mauubusan ka na. Pag yung mamili ka ng ano, malapit na yung talagang Christmas Day, wala na. Sinaw na, hapay. Talagang malinis na yung mga aisles na mga estante. Malinis na, guys. Wala ka nang mabibili. Ang Christmas dito is super big thing dito, guys. Parang yan yung naano ko. Sa atin naman, big thing yung kainan. Kailangan may lechon, may handa talaga. Dito is more on gifts, presents. So, eto, namili ako sa Halls. No, not Halls. Namili ako sa Halls, yung sa isip ko. Marshalls pala. Ito yung naano ko kasi with this, guys. Hindi ito pang regalo. And then, ito din. Malaki na ginger bread house. Ayan. Kasi lagi akong kinukulit ng dalawa. And then, pang snack ng dalawa, bata. And then, ito, gifts nila. Ayan. And then, more bags. Ayan, gift bags. And then, sa ano namin, sa dinner namin, Christmas. And I think si Grandma hindi na namin makasama Christmas. I think mag-move na siya sa resorts. Well, I'm not sure. And then, more socks for Liam yung i-donate niya. And then, avocado oil, healthy tuna oil. And then, may unhealthy din tayo. Chocolate powder. Pang hot chocolates. Favorite to Liam. Masarap to na hot chocolate, guys. Tunaw mo lang siya sa warm na milk. And then, Liam, na ano, kasi may ano sila yung Grinch Day ata next week. So, bumili ako sa kanya sa Marshalls. And then, pang-ipit ni Brianna. And then kahapon naman, yung ngayon ko lang ipapakita sa iyo yung nabili ko kahapon. Ito naman guys, galing sa Ross. Dito ako na talagang na-excite ako dito guys. Para kay Mister. Ayan, perfect to kay Mister. Parang i-dextrose na yun na yung beer ba. Ako dito guys, binili ko talaga siya just for fun lang guys ba. Ayan o. Magugustuhan to ni Mister. Oh, ayan. I-wrap ko yan for him. And ito, boxes ng pang-gift for Brianna. I think that's for Liam. And then for Brianna. Ayan. And more boxes. Ayan, oh, di ba? Ang cute guys. Let's say for example, dito mo lalagay yung may pera ka or like yung Visa card or McDonald's na card na kahit na anong pang shopping, dito mo ilagay. Yung cute niya. You know? And then, more bags. Itatago ko to guys kasi ayokong makita to ng kids. Ito naman is for Mister. Ayan. Ang ganda nito guys. Ayan. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, if haul tayo ng haul ng mga hindi naman ito mamahal. Ang lang to naman sa paghanda ko sa, birthday, which is birthday ko din pala. This coming Christmas, paghanda ko sa mga gift. Nga to. Then si mother-in-law, yung pinakagusto lang naman ni mother-in-law is yung lotion na L'Occitane and then chocolate na Sis candies. Yun yung favorite niya. So, babalutin ko na to guys. And then balutin ko din yung isa na para kay Mister from Liam. And then ito, gagamitin ko to. Kasi meron ako nito guys. Itong pang meron ako niya nasira. Ganyan siya pang ng milk. Warming pot. Okay. Pwede ka palang mag-warm dito. I-warm mo dito yung milk. And then, saka mo siya. Ganun. Tamang-tama kasi bumili ako ng matcha. Nakaano ako ngayon ng guys. Ng uminom ng matcha. Favorite ko yung matcha sa sa yung latte. Matcha latte ba yun sa Starbucks? Yun ang isa sa mga favorite ko ngayon. So, yeah. Okay, kanina nung nag-usap kami ni mother-in-law, sabi niya, kailan, ang sa isip niya talaga na uuwi kami ng Pinas, na doon kami magki-Christmas. Yun talagang sa isip niya, sabi niya, when are you coming back? Sabi niya ganun. Di ba, uuwi kayo sa Christmas, doon ka magsiselebrate? Sabi ko, no! Sabi ko ganun, no? How I wish na doon kami magsiselebrate ng Christmas. Kasi iba pa rin yung Christmas sa Pinas. I'm not sure. Sa akin parang, gusto ko yung, basta iba pa rin yung kahit, yung walang regalo, pero sama-sama kayong kumain ba, no? Na pag Christmas, kasama yung buong family mo, like yung mga kapatid mo, and then yung mama ko, yung mga pamangkin ko. Iba pa din kaysa dito, dito guys, kami lang naman kasi ni Mister. Pag yung kapatid niya not available, so kami lang. Which is okay na rin. Kaya pinaghandaan ko tong tong Christmas na to guys, kasi I think this will be our last Christmas na rin dito sa dito sa Amerika. Hindi ako ng last lagi kong sinasabi na last Christmas, baka isipin yung mamatay na ako. Lord, wag muna. Maliliit pa yung anak ko. Which is, last Christmas na namin dito kasi, yun nga, magmo-move kami ng Pinas, guys. Magmo-move kami after ng retire ni Mister. Hindi ko pa masabi sa inyo, but I know definitely next year, yung mga kids, tapos na rin naman na yung school nila next year. So yeah, wala pang definite, wala pang na months, pero next year. 2025, mag-move kami ng Pinas. So, yun. Kaya sabi ko, next year, doon na kami mag-Christmas sa Pinas, guys. Ayun, kaya dito, ito yung last Christmas namin. Nanood ako ng movie, soccer. So, yeah. Sana nga, no? Sarap siguro. Sarap talaga sa feeling. Hindi siguro. Sarap sa feeling na kahit walang regalo, pero pagkasama mo yung family mo, pero mas masarap sa feeling pag may regalo din yun. Hindi ako, normally, ako yung namimigay sa family ko, guys. We'll enjoy our last Christmas here in the US. And then next year, doon na tayo sa Pinas mag-Christmas, guys. I'm looking forward to it na doon na tayo mag-Christmas sa Pinas next year. Bakasyon na lang kami dito, sabi nga ni mother-in-law. Ano ba, pupunta kayo doon 3 months and then after that 3 months, balik naman ulit dito. Tapos, binili ko siya, oh, babalik-balik kami dito pag magpadala ka ng pera. Pagbigyan mo kami ng pera, ang pamasahe, panggastos, tawa siya ng tawa. Na yun sa isip niya talaga is mag-move na kami, guys. Sabi ko, no, we will stay here for Christmas. We're not moving. We're not going anywhere. Sabi kong ganun sa kanya. Yun sa isip niya na mag-move na nga kami by Christmas. Ay, nako, si mother-in-law. Super makalimutin na. Tinatawanan ko na lang yung ano niya, guys. Natatawa din naman siya pag tinatawanan ko siya. Okay. Ito na yung ni Liam. Choice, this is not choice. Socks drive to na donate ng mga socks. And yeah. Hi guys. Try kong gumawa ng matcha latte. Pinakuluan ko pa yung guys, yung milk ko. Then, ito pala, kaya siya tinawag na sweet matcha. Kasi may sugar na siya sa So, may kasama na siyang sugar, guys. Yan, nakikita ko yung sugar na buo-buo. Sana tama to, no? Parang not enough pa yung pagka-green niya. Dagdagan ko pa siya ng isang teaspoon ng matcha. Kasi 2 teaspoon lang yung nilagay ko, guys. Nahalo ko siya sa mainit na tubig. Parang napadami yung mainit na tubig ko. Anyway, try and error pa naman to, guys. Let's see if magkasing sarap ba siya ng Starbucks. Kasi nagustuhan ko yung matcha ng Starbucks, guys. Yung latte nila, masarap. Okay, hindi pa siya mainit. Okay. Namoy ko na yung tayo. Eksperimento. Kasakaling papasa tayo as a barista. Coffee barista. Parang more on milk na siya, guys. Napadami yung lagay ko ng hot water para tunawin yung matcha ba. Sarap siya. Kasing lasa na siya ng Starbucks. Haush, dito din kayo. Ay, yan pala yung ko, guys, yung manicure ko. Since I love red this time, kasi Christmas, kaya yan. Red na red tayo. Pag sa Bisaya, may mga words kami yan, rhyming words na sa Bisaya pula, sa paghigugma, puti sa pagbati, itom sa paglaom. Basta yun yung mga rhyming words namin sa Bisaya.
Hello, I'm gonna check this Real Madrid. Don't tell me.
Hi!
Real Madrid played today on soccer.
Hi guys! I miss you!
They won.
I don't know. Where is my kid?
Mom, you scored the goal.
Oy, importante dyan ay ng kuano. Importante dyan ay ng soccer.
You scored the goals.
Hi.
How are you? How's your day?
It was good.
Good.
Yeah. You wrapped Dad's present.
Yeah, you need to write it down. I already wrapped Daddy's present. Yeah.
What's this?
Help to. Oh,
Mommy!
we'll give this to Daddy tonight.
Baba, 2 of 4 play.
What is it?
Baba!
Perfect for Daddy. What?
No, Mbappe scored in the 10 minutes. And then Will Jonas.
Yeah. But
And then-
Mbappe got injured.
Mom, can I hide this in my room?
Huh?
Can I hide this in my
Yeah,
room?
you have to write
Mama,
it. You
yeah.
give it to Daddy when we get back, okay?
Mom, Kevin Mbappe got injured.
Hoy, I know. Where's my kiss? Important. Hindi. Okay, bahala ka diha. Yeah, that's for fun. Where's my kiss?
No, what is it? What do you mean it's for fun?
No, that's for Daddy.
Mommy,
Daddy will.
tomorrow, Juventus is playing against Man City. 1 p.m.
What is it?
Oh. Against Juventus against Milan?
No, Juventus versus Man City.
Oh,
At
okay.
1 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay, guys, put this into your room. We'll give this to her tonight.
What is this?
It's just for fun. Make Daddy's laugh.
Okay. Be
Okay?
careful.
Yeah.
Be careful what you put in here.
Hey, Liam. Look. Look. And Grinch Day.
Yay!
And Baba. It's for you. Everyday Christmas na. Every day is Christmas.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Put it. It's for your concert, right?
Mom,
And Liam, your Grinch Day, okay?
the elf.
I know the elf's there, oh. Stuck in the window.
It's so weird.
I know.
Wait,
Do
I
you
mean,
think? I think when he came back from the North Pole.
you can
Hi
see.
guys, we are back from the soccer
Of course, he's just
game.
hide.
And hindi ako magluluto ng dinner ngayon kasi take out lang yung dinner namin.
Mommy, when are you gonna put the night glow out?
Tomorrow. I'll need to set it up tomorrow, okay?
I put the present way too high up.
Okay. So how's your soccer?
Good.
Good.
Mommy, where's Dad?
I don't know. Oh, Daddy always hiding away from you guys.
Just a joke about it.
Yung sapatos nagkalat na. Yung lagayan namin ng sapatos puno na guys. Yung mga bata diyan na lang nilalagay.
Mom, where's Dad?
I don't know. He's hiding. I don't know. Might be hiding the tree. Under the tree? No.
No. But where's
I
Mom?
don't know. Where's your daddy? Take off your socks. I smell your feet. That is a stinky one. Who's knocking the wall?
He's there!
Nagtago yung daddy nila, guys. Who's daddy?
She dropped the F.
Oh.
Dad,
It's
did,
okay.
Dad, did you see the elf? Dad!
No,
Yeah.
where is it?
Yuck!
Oh,
Yep.
jeez. It's okay, Papa. It's okay.
We got a present.
I skipped a heartbeat.
No, that's okay. I know.
got a
That's
present.
good.
Give daddy the present. We have something for
What,
you,
you got a
daddy.
present?
Yeah. That's for you.